Hello everyone. Now let's check this Western Digital Pension hard drive data recovery case study. And this drive has suffered some firmware corruption, and we have power on this pension drive, and we got these error status. Now we can go to the kernel mode and enter the DFLWD firmware repair software, auto get details, and click OK. So we can enter the software. Right now, because we just use the kernel mode and the surface, the firmware error is not read. So the module list is empty. At this time, we try to go to ROM operations, back up the ROM, and then we can disable 411 for this family. And the PCB number for this one is 1945. Now, from the log window, we can see the 411 module has been disabled, so we can use the execute firmware restart. Now we can see the firmware error has been restarted successfully. Okay. Now the drive gets ready again. At this time, we need to exit this program, and then we re-enter the software without power the drive off. Okay, so we auto get details, click OK. So we come to the software, the model list is available now. We can find all the firmware modules. So at this time, we can try to back up the most important firmware modules. And we can sort the order ID and unselect all, and we can select the most important one. Sometimes we back up the module 2 as well, and 31, 32, and 36, and 40, 49, 48. And for this family, and we can try more modules to back up. Okay, the module 148 we can back up as well, and then click OK. Now in the log window, we can find all the selected firmware modules. The important ones have been read successfully. Next, we can try to operate on the firmware repair. So from the finished symptoms, the drive just spin up and spin down. It got some error status. But after disabling the 411, the drive gets recognized to read the ID from the PCB. Now we can try to clear the module 36. Clears module. So this is the T-list. And we can also try the command repair, the slow fix, because this one is the old Western Digital drive without the module 1 ID, so it's not a smart drive. We can try to use this one. To fix the snow issue. After we use these two methods to fix the possible firmware failure, we can try to enable the module 411 and checking the drive symptoms again from restart. We have cleared module 36, and we have also fixed the snow issue. Now, right now, we can re-enter the software in normal mode. So at this time, we can find out the drive have been detected properly. So that means the firmware issue has been fixed successfully. So right now we can go to the DFL DDP data recovery software. So this one is SATA 0, and we connect DDP to check if all the lost partitions have been read successfully or not. And data extraction icon, new project, next, file extraction. Okay, so here are all the lost partitions, and we can try to view one partition, and we can find also lost folders and files here. So this is how we fix the Western Digital hard drive firmware corruption issue and then recover the lost data with the DFL DDP data recovery software. Thank you for watching the video.